From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, our weather will be improving. More sunshine, still quite warm in the afternoon, but getting a little bit cooler in the evenings over the next several days as high pressure banks in from the northeast. But unfortunately, we're watching the tropics. We have a new area of disturbed weather that looks to get going and could become the next tropical storm. Perhaps even a hurricane. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. First off, though, let's paint the large picture, and I like looking at the 700 millibar level, especially when we start looking at the tropics and for channels. And right now, we have this big ridge of high pressure centered in the northeast, but expanding back to the south and west, and that's what pushed the weather back to the west today, and that's going to dominate our weather. Strong winds coming out of the east, northeast, but this is all going to collapse as we go down the line. We have this upper level low here that is just north and west of Jamaica. This is going to be moving westward, and that's going to open up the door for a tropical system to move northward. And all the while, the winds begin to diminish here. This ridge of high pressure becomes more nebulous, so there could be something threatening the Gulf Coast by Saturday night, maybe Sunday. So that's the story right now. This evening, though, fair skies. We got almost a full moon out there. Nice breeze out of the northeast, northeast for the most part. Not too breezy tonight, but it'll pick up again tomorrow. All the showers push back to the west with that tropical wave that we saw yesterday. So a relatively quiet scenario for now. You can see on the satellite enhancement, the storms that were cooking across Texas are also weakening at this hour. Now, we get into the tropics. There's that upper low that we talked about over by Cuba. Maybe some development here, but this is going to move westward, not anticipating any. Meanwhile, the National Hurricane Center identifying a broad and relatively elongated area of low pressure right by Central America, and that low pressure system will probably get a little bit more organized with time. It's not showing much organization at this point, but the Hurricane Center upping the chance for this developing down the line to a 70% chance of at least a tropical depression, perhaps a storm over the next 5 days. And it does have not only tropical storm potential, but I wouldn't rule out at least Category 1 hurricane potential down the road. And we'll talk more about that as well in just a bit. Here's the area of low pressure, and the tropical models just starting to come in on this system, and it's going to interact with Central America and more than likely the Yucatan. Here we are Saturday afternoon. System is going to be moving quickly, and you can almost imagine what the cone is going to look like if this system should develop. But there's no guarantee that it develops because it's close to land right here. But the bottom line, if something gets going, it's going to be heading in our general direction. So from Louisiana to Florida is going to have to watch this system. So here's the European model. Always have to stress one model projection, not a forecast. But the European brings us to a tropical storm status over the warmest part of the Caribbean, and then actually deepens the low pressure system in the Gulf of Mexico. Notice where we are Saturday at noon at this point, and then maybe moving off to the northeast. We'll have to wait and see. European model goes for a hurricane over toward Florida. Then we look at the GFS model. This is the latest run of the GFS. Tropical storm at the very least, a little bit farther to the south, but notice how quickly this system moves to the north as we get into Sunday, and then maybe southeast Louisiana come Sunday morning into midday hours. Again, I think it's going to be a lopsided system. I want to show you this model one more time again because I have the upper level winds here as well. Notice we have deep breezy winds in the upper levels on the eastern side, not much going on the western side. And then I'm looking up here, very light winds. So any steering influences up here could be quite light, and we could actually have a storm farther to the west, which would really put us in the mire, or a system farther to the east. But it's going to be loaded on the eastern side of the storm. That's where the highest winds and heaviest rains are going to be. And if we're lucky, just some wind here in Acadiana. If we're unlucky, we have a more western trek with this storm. And we got to give the European model some credit here based on what we're seeing. So we'll see how the European model comes in later tonight. Coastal flood advisory for those breezy easterly winds, but fair skies overnight tonight. Tomorrow should be a mostly sunny day. Very nice day indeed. Temperatures in the mid-80s, not much of a heat index factor. And we'll go into Thursday with much the same, mostly sunny skies. Temperature-wise, here's the good stuff. Tonight, a little bit better than last night. Upper 60s to lower 70s. Upper 80s to near 90 for tomorrow. tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening, feeling a little bit better, mid to upper 60s. So a couple of nice days ahead while we are watching the tropics. So feeling a little better out there, lower humidity, and nearly a full hunter's moon. We'll go 89 the high tomorrow. Nice breeze out of the northeast in general at 10 to 15. And as we go down the road, we'll be watching the tropics closely. Temperatures stay in the 90s through Saturday. I'm giving the GFS model a little credit and going for some wind and maybe some rain on Sunday, but we're still not out of the woods with respect to tropical season or hurricane season, and I would imagine maybe a kind of a lopsided Category 1 hurricane threatening somewhere on the Gulf Coast sometime this weekend.